Today we're going to show you how to reactivate the backup camera in a Chrysler product that has the 8.4-inch screen that has been wiped out after maybe a recall or an update at the dealership. When you put it in reverse, it's still showing the main screen instead of the backup camera. So we simply grab the piece that is in the glove box. It has an OBD2 connection on it. All products have an OBD2 under the dash. We're simply going to plug it in. After it's plugged in, the screen turns black. It's rebooting the radio. And as soon as it reboots, we will have the backup camera right back. It's as simple as that. Thank you.